Good morning, fellow traders. It's time for the Good Morning Market Prep. This is Bubblehead, and we are sponsored by Positive Trends Research. Before we get started, please take a moment to review this disclaimer that everything we're going to talk about, as always, is for educational purposes only and non-investment advice. Okay, so let's take a look. S&P futures were very flat overnight after a big pop after the Fed yesterday, and so we saw a lot of chop throughout the night, right? And then boom, a message comes out this morning. China saying that they're not going to probably the likelihood of a long-term trade deal with the current administration is unlikely, and we see a big push right here. So here was the trend line from yesterday. Here's your minor pivot low, your minor turning point pivot. Once we had a big confirming bar with increasing volume below that, we could see the movement to the downside. You can see these techniques work in any market, including the futures. So with that, what's on the docket today? So we have Apple had earnings last night, or yesterday after the close. So we had a big move up. They had a beat earnings and revenue. So we'll see if that holds these levels. That seems to be holding this 248, 249 level this morning. So we'll see how, what kind of tweets and everything come out this morning to see how it affects the market. But generally, that's holding up pretty well. Facebook, up pretty big, from the 188 level, tagged 200 yesterday, and is up around 197. So far so good on Facebook. Doesn't seem to be affected by the trade news this morning. Other ones that we're looking at today that should be pretty interesting. We have the 15 Orbitalist. Starbucks had some earnings yesterday where it was in line, and it looks like it's pretty strong. So nice to see that happening with Starbucks here as we've been tracking this downward trend line, and we're finally starting to see some momentum through it. So Starbucks might get a little bit of strength today. We're also seeing WDC. So a bit of a miss yesterday, a little bit of a bad earnings report, but seems to be recovering okay. So we'll see how it holds these pre-market levels today. And then finally, Twitter. Twitter said that they're not going to be doing any more political ads. So obviously that's going to affect revenue. So we'll see how Twitter holds up this morning. We'll be checking that on the 15 orb as well. So should be an interesting day today. Kind of interested to see what kind of tweets come out today. It was very interesting how flat the market was given the Apple strength and the Facebook strength. Normally, when you see something like that, some dovish Fed comments, good earnings from Apple, good earnings from Facebook, you'd expect to be up at least 10 points in the market. But right now, we're negative. So it should be a very interesting day. Everybody be safe out there. Today is October 31st. So those that are going to be having fun with Halloween tonight, be safe, and everybody have a great trading day today. And we'll see you on the lunchtime market update. And remember your risk first, and stay safe so you can stay in the game. I'll talk to you soon.